So hello everyone, this is the app that we've been talking about for a while now. It's called Bright Jiffy. Bright Jiffy is a very new app. It's recently been developed in the last month. This app is an attempt to create our interactive smart classes come home and reach the child's parents and reach the child. Right? So we'll quickly log in, and this is where the parent actually enters the email ID. So we'll just enter email ID. It's jiffy@bright.edumont. This is our sample email ID. Right? Then we'll go for the password. Right? Then we try and log in. So this account has been enabled only for Playgroup. As you can see, only the Playgroup option has been enabled on this account. So we'll just, this is the UI of the app. It's a very simple login. Welcome, select your level and start learning. Choose between various topics, learn and enjoy. This is our progress tracker, as you can see. So this helps parents understand which topic and how much of that topic has been completed by the child. Right now it's at 0% because we just started this. Now we'll go right into our Playgroup level. So we'll click on Playgroup. The minute we click on Playgroup, one thing special that we've done here is we haven't added titles to all the images on the chalkboard. We did this for a specific reason. This specific reason is we want the child to associate the image with text. Right? So only once they click it, they see, oh, that's shapes. Right? They close that. Once they click it, they see this is colors. Once they click this, they see that this is transportation. Once they click this, they see it's farm animals. Right? The next topic, once they click, they see that this is fruits. The next topic that they click, we see that these are vegetables, and the next topic is jungle animals. Right? So these are the topics that we have on Playgroup for Bright Jiffy. We'll just see what one of the topics has. Right? So this is a map that we've created for the child, so that the child feels he's progressing towards end, because we believe that this learning experience is a journey. We'll click on number 1. Once we enter number 1,
dear children,
we see the first activity. The first activity is coloring the Chhota Bheem with the orange color.
With orange color by clicking on the color. Yes, correct.
So once we click that, we go towards done, and you see there's a small check mark that appears down there. That indicates that the child has completed the first leg of the map. Right? So now we enter number 2.
Dear children, have you seen signal light on the road? In this signal light, one color is missing. Click the correct color and complete the signal picture. Yes, correct.
Right, now that we're done with this, we click on done, and then we see the second leg of this is complete.
Dear children,
and now this is the third part that we have. The third part we have
click the yellow color
another
fruits on the screen. Yes, correct. Oops, you are wrong. Yes, correct.
Right, so we're done with this activity as well. You can see that we can click on done again, and again, like before, the click mark arrives. Then we do the fourth activity.
Here are different colored fruits on the screen. Click the yellow colored fruits on the screen. Yes, correct.
So we click done here, and we're now back on the home page. Now we'll just look at the fifth activity to understand what exactly the mark unread button down there means. Right? So we'll just complete this activity and try and show you what mark unread might mean. So this is for a particular case where suppose a child got interrupted in the process of learning. There's some interruption or disruption. So then the child clicks the mark unread button, and with that mark unread button, there is no access of the check mark button doesn't come on this particular topic, right? So we'll quickly head back now. So we've done 4 levels, we've done 4 topics out of a 20. We'll go back, and then we go back to our home screen, and we click, we see the other topics, and now we go to the progress tracker. See, on the progress tracker, we can see that this particular child has completed 20% of colors, right? So this is a great way that parents can keep track of things that their kids are doing.